Hey everyone! Today, I'm taking on the 3-product face makeup challenge, perfect for all you beginners out there. Let's see how we can create a fresh look with just 3 essential products. For our first product, we're using a tinted moisturizer. This is going to give us a lightweight coverage while keeping our skin hydrated. Next up, let's grab a cream blush. Not only will it add a beautiful flush to the cheeks, but we can also use it on the eyes for a monochromatic look. Finally, we'll finish the look with a tinted lip balm. This will keep our lips hydrated and give them a nice pop of color. And there you have it, a fresh, everyday look using just 3 products. Perfect for beginners or those busy mornings. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What would you choose for your 3-product makeup challenge?